Plant family, 137 genera in Aizoaceae. Discovering the Aizoaceae plant family. As an avid plant lover and collector, I've always been drawn to the diverse beauty and resilience of succulents. One particular family that has captured my attention is the Aizoaceae family, also known as the fig marigold or ice plant family. This group of plants offers a vast array of genera, with intriguing forms, textures, and adaptive strategies that make them perfect for those who appreciate the hardiness and versatility of succulents. What is the Aizoaceae family? The Aizoaceae family is primarily composed of succulent plants, which are often native to arid and semi-arid regions like southern Africa. The family is known for its ability to thrive in tough conditions, often with little water and lots of sunlight, making them popular choices for drought-tolerant gardens. What I find most fascinating about the Aizoaceae family is how its members have adapted to harsh environments. Their thick, fleshy leaves allow them to store water, a key feature that helps them survive in the desert or rocky regions. The family is quite extensive, boasting over 120 genera and approximately 1,800 species. Many of these plants are characterized by their vivid, daisy-like flowers, which often bloom in bright colors such as pink, purple, yellow, and white. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I love the Aizoaceae family. As someone who loves the challenge and beauty of succulent plants, the Aizoaceae family offers endless opportunities for exploration. Whether it's the compact, stone-like form of lit hops, the vibrant blooms of Delosperma, or the resilient sprawl of Carpobrotus, these plants never cease to amaze me. They've also proven to be incredibly practical for my garden, especially when water is scarce. Many members of the Aizoaceae family have become integral to my landscaping efforts, particularly in areas where I want to create a low-maintenance, drought-tolerant garden. Their ability to thrive with little water, paired with their stunning blooms and intriguing forms, makes them an ideal choice for arid and rocky landscapes. Plus, with their extensive variety, I'm always finding new species and genera to add to my collection. Conclusion. The Aizoaceae family is a testament to nature's ability to adapt and thrive in even the harshest environments. With over 120 genera, there's something for everyone, whether you're a seasoned plant collector or just starting your succulent journey. I've found great joy in cultivating these plants, appreciating their beauty, resilience, and the unique personality they bring to my garden. As I continue to explore the Aizoaceae family, I know I'll keep discovering new species and varieties that will challenge and reward me as a plant enthusiast. If you're looking for a family of plants that offers both aesthetic beauty and practical hardiness, I highly recommend giving the Aizoaceae family a try.